Hello students, myself Mr. Kiran Chinswalkar, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. Now we study the subject of workshop practice. Okay, in workshop practice, this is the experiment number 5. Experiment number 5 we are studying. Okay, the title of this practical is prepare bill of material for given pipeline layer. Okay, in this practical we have to make the bill of material for the given pipeline layout. Okay, so before starting this practical, we learn the various pipeline fittings. Okay, this is a PVC pipe fitting accessories. Okay, this accessories used for pipeline fittings. Okay, so we learn one by one. You can see this is a on off wall. This is a on off wall which are used for on and off purpose. Then this is a reducer. This is a threaded reducer for the control the flow. Then this is third is a tap. Okay, this is a tap. Then this is a cross. This is a symbol of this is a cross which are used for the pipe fittings. Cross for join the 4 pipes, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 3 pipes are connected by this cross. Then this is a T for connecting the 3 pipelines, 1 2 3 T. Then this is the elbow for connection of the 2 pipes, elbow. Then this is a couplings for connect the 2 pipes. Then this is a reduce the flow. And this is a plug. These plug are used for the close the end of the pipe. Okay, so this is our accessories which are used for the pipe fittings. So now we are learn the pipeline layout. Okay, so you can see here diagram. In the diagram, this is a workshop practice and this is a plumbing shop. Okay, we are now in a plumbing shop. So this is a drawing. This is a PVC pipeline layout. Okay, so main purpose is for this. This layout is made for the one purpose for the connection of the geyser. This is a geyser and this is a shower. Okay, in our home we are using the geyser and shower. So for connection of geyser and shower there is a layout. Okay, so we can see here this is a bill of material. Bill of material means what? Okay, how much quantity required of various pipe fittings and pipes. Okay, so we are starting from this number 1. This is the number 1 T. Okay, T is used for here. First is a T. Then second, in this bill of material, this is serial number, this is the item description, then there is a quantity, then there is a material, and this is a remarks. Okay, so first material is a T. So T is used here. Number 1 is a T. Then number 2 is a elbow. You can see there is elbow 1. This is elbow, and T is required. Number quantity because 1. There is a quantity number 1 and elbow. Okay, elbow required quantity is 8. Okay, 8 quantity. So you can see that this is elbow 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 8 elbow required, quantity 8. Then third material is item is a geyser. Okay, 1 kilowatt, we require 1 kilowatt geyser here. Number 3, showing the number by 3. Then number 4 is a cock. This is a cock, this is a tap, this is a cock. Number 4, this required is a 1. Then number 5 is a cross joint. Okay, number 5, this required is a 1. So this is a number 5. This is a cross joint. We require cross joint 1 2 3 4 for connecting of the these 4 pipes. Okay. Then next is a 6 is a on shut off wall. On shut off wall is here. On shut off wall is the 6th number. This is a on shut off wall. Okay, this is 6th number on shut off wall. Then 7 number is a flow control wall. Okay, 7 is a flow control wall. This is a flow control wall. First is a flow. This is the first and this is second. We are using this 2 flow control wall. This is number 7. We require 2 quantities flow control wall to control the flow of the fluid or water. You can use water, gases or liquid. So this is flow control wall. Then 8 number is a shower fitting. Okay, shower fittings is a 8 number. In this diagram, this is a shower fitting. We shower is connected here. Okay, so shower is look like this. Okay, shower. So shower is fitting here. This is 8 number shower. Then 9 number is the pipes. This is the pipes, we require pipes. Okay, this is a basic thing. And 10 is a PVC pipe and fitting joint. So this is a number 10. Okay, so this is the layout. Now we see the actual layout and actual fitting of this PVC pipeline used for the connection of the geyser and the shower. Okay, so this is the actual layout of the pipeline layout. Okay, this is the actual pipeline layout which are show the how to connect of the geyser. This is the geyser and this is the shower. Okay, so this is the one application of this pipe fitting. So how to connect this? In this we require various pipe fittings. Okay, and the pipes. So starting before the starting we have to, according to our space available, okay, we draw the layout. Okay, in layout there is a bill of material. We require pipes, then these pipe fittings, then this clamp. Okay, so before starting, first we cut the pipes. First we cut the pipes in the number of pieces. Okay, according to requirement of the drawing. Okay, first we draw the drawing, and this is the pipes. We cut the pipes. This is the pipes. Okay, this is the PVC pipes. So we first cut the PVC pipe in number of pieces as per required on the drawing. So this is the first step. Then in second step, we mark the positions of the pipe fittings. Okay, so positions of the pipe fittings is what? Pipe fittings is what? This is a T, this is the elbow. Okay, and this is the couplings. Okay, elbow. So we mark the position. This is the pipe fittings. So we mark the position of the pipe fittings. Okay, in this working area. Next step is we mark the position of the clamp. This is the clamp. Okay, this is the clamp. We are marked the position of the clamp. This is the clamp for holding the pipes. Okay, so this is the clamp. We mark the position of the clamp. After marking the position of the clamp, we are drill the hole at the clamp. Okay, at the clamp position. So we are drilling the hole at this point with the info drilling machine. Okay, then after that after completing marking, then we according to design we mark all the positions. Next is what? Then we connect these pipes. This is the pipes and this is the pipe fittings, and we feed all the things according to design. Okay, according to design we connect all the pipes. In this layout we can according to bill of material we require, this is the T. Okay, we require T, 1 T. Then this is the elbow. I already explained this is the elbow. We require number of quantities 8. 1, 2. This elbow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We require 8 elbows. Okay. After that we require one cock. This is a tap. This is a requirement of tap. Then this is the cross. This connection of 4 pipes. I will explain 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the cross. And this is a wall. Okay, wall is for the control the flow of the fluid or water. Okay, so these are pipe fittings. Okay, according to drawing we connect all the things. Okay, and how the application and how it is working. From T incoming main, here the water is coming, cold water coming from these pipes. Okay, and from this it flow to the geyser. This is the in. The geyser in, at the in water is coming in a geyser, and after it is heated, it comes the out, and from the out position it go, this is the wall, from this position it go to the shower. Okay, and we get hot water. If we require hot water from the tap, so this is the flow of the water from here, and from the cross is also flow to the tap, and we get also water from this tap. Okay, and this is a tap, and is also this water, this T is also for connection 3 pipe. This is the first pipe, second, third, and cold water is also coming from this direction, and we get flow of cold water from the shower. So we get cold water and hot water simultaneously. So this is the main layout of the pipe fittings. Okay, so pipeline layout. This is the basic layout. So according to application, we can draw various layout. Okay, and main purpose of this practical is you should know what is the different pipe fittings and how to make bill of material. Okay, so first you have to make the pipeline layout, and according to layout we can know what is the different pipe fittings and pipelines, and what is the length and the dimension we can easily know. Okay, according to your space available. So this is a experiment number 5. Prepare bill of material for the pipeline layout. Okay, so thank you. This is the end of your practical number 5.